Hello, welcome in Tableau training session, class 1. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about introduction of Tableau, from where to download the Tableau, what are the components of Tableau. So let's start. So introduction to Tableau. Tableau works on a freemium model. So we are going to use Tableau Public for our training sessions, though there are different platforms, different softwares available for Tableau. For example, Tableau Desktop, which is the licensed version. Then we have Tableau Prep, which is useful for cleaning and transformation. Then we have Tableau Online, where we are going to publish our dashboards. And finally, Tableau Server. So we will be using Tableau Public, which is free application available and it is supported by Mac. Now, what is Tableau Public? So Tableau Public is a free software available which can be downloaded from Tableau website. Now, connectors available for Tableau Public. Well, very limited connectors are available. We can connect with CSV or text file. We can connect with Excel documents. We can connect with Access, JSON file, etc. So, if we talk about Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop, if you want to compare, then Tableau Desktop is a licensed version, whereas Tableau Public is free software. Most of the features we can use and access in Tableau Public as well. There are few differences which we will see in our upcoming sessions. So, what about the next component? The next component in the architecture of Tableau is Tableau Reader. So Tableau Reader allows to read the Tableau files. If suppose we need to share our dashboard with someone, we will share our file with someone. So can anyone read it without even downloading Power BI, without even downloading Tableau Desktop or Public? Then answer is yes. Tableau Reader is helpful in reading those file types. These are especially useful for senior management who are not the developers, who are not going to create any dashboard. They just want to view these dashboards. So Tableau Reader can be useful to read those dashboards. Now, data visualization in Tableau, if we will compare between Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public, then beautiful dashboards, insightful, interactive dashboards can be created in both Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. Whereas Tableau Reader will just read the file type. We cannot create any visualization in Tableau Reader. So, what are the data connectors we've already discussed? There is a long list available for Tableau Desktop, which is a licensed version, whereas very limited data connectors are available for Tableau Public. Tableau Reader, we cannot connect with any data source. We cannot create any dashboard in Tableau Reader. So, how secure is your data in Tableau? So, it's very much secure, but it depends. If we are publishing through Tableau Desktop, then it's very secure because it is going to be published on Tableau Server. And if we are publishing using Tableau Public, then public can view this. This is available publicly. Everyone can see your dashboard. Whereas in Tableau Public, nobody can see your report except to whom you have given access. So those who have access of your dashboard, they can read your dashboard. So how much data can be stored if we talk about both the tools, Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public? Then in Tableau Desktop, there is no limit. Unlimited rows can be stored, can be processed and shared, whereas Tableau Public has a limitation. That limitation is 1 million. We can store, process and share up to 1 million rows. If we talk about Tableau Reader again, unlimited rows can be read in a static view. So, how much it will cost if you want to go for the licensed version? Then Tableau Desktop Personal will cost you $35 with annual maintenance of $999, whereas Tableau Desktop Professional $70 with an annual maintenance of $1,999. So this is the cost for the licensed version. We are going to use Tableau Public in this session, which is free of cost. We don't have to pay anything. We just need to download the tool from website. Now, who is the target audience for these tools? It's important to understand. Usually, this licensed version, because it's costly, Tableau Desktop is used by data scientists, BI professionals, or developers, whereas Tableau Public is used by beginners so that first they can learn, explore the tool, and then they can finally go for the licensed version. And BI enthusiasts, those who want to learn this BI or data visualization tool. Now, if we talk about Tableau Reader, this is mostly used by senior people, CXOs level, those who want to read data, those who don't want to create any kind of visualization. They need Tableau Reader because they just need to read those dashboards which are shared with them and they have access to. Now, let's install Tableau. Before proceeding further, we need to download and install Tableau from Tableau website. Let me show you the website. This is the website. We just need to search on Google, download Tableau Public, and then you'll get this browser option. And then you need to download Tableau Public from here. Once you've downloaded, install it properly, then we will start Tableau lecture 2nd. Thanks for watching. Let's continue this learning journey and let's connect in next video.